Take a ride in the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, front license plate bracket, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.